2018 and this is my first video of the year. That is crazy. I am so excited about this year. I have so many great things to look forward to and I'm really motivated and I'm just like filled with joy for this new year, like a fresh start. Last year was not the best year for some reasons, but I'm really looking forward to this year. Really excited about what this year has in store for me. As you may know, the Pantone color of the year is ultraviolet and it kind of looks something like this. So I got very inspired and I wanted to do a look based on this. I love this color. I love using purples on the eyes. I think it really complements brown eyes, but just really, it's beautiful on anyone. I really love purples. And speaking of purples, I'm going to be using the new BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, which has the most beautiful purples. It was the reason I needed to purchase this palette. Like, just look at that. Can we take a moment? Like, do you see these colors in here? They just this like hollowy-ness, like it just looks bright, vibrant, beautiful. These purples swatch so well. Like, do you know how hard it is to come by some good matte purples? Really hard, like really hard. And they're blendable, they're pigmented, they look beautiful, stunning. I love this palette. It was $21.99, but I think I got it on sale around like Black Friday time. So you might be able to find it on sale. I think it's available on their website with a brush kit, but I think it's really worth it. I really enjoy this palette, and it also has a highlight like right in the middle as well as like a bunch of beautiful shades. So anyways, enough blab. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Actually, before we do, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Click right down below and like this video, and I will get started right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with this color here. And I'm going to go in with a fluffy crease brush just right onto the concealer. This is a trick that I'm trying out for the first time actually, because Daisy Marquez keeps swearing by the fact that this trick is better by just applying it directly to your eye after concealer and not using translucent powder to set. Next, I'm going to use this next color in line. It's under Cancer. And I'm just going to pop that into the crease. It's a very similar color. It has a little bit different undertone, but it comes off very similarly on the eye, but I'm kind of just bringing this more into the crease. The next thing I'm going to do is take this third purple shade here, and I'm going to be putting it on a Morphe M507. I kind of like to just lay this kind of diagonally, or you can lay it like that too, kind of wing it out and then start bringing it inward, but just keeping it on that outer corner of the eye. Bring it into the crease a little bit too. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease. I have my Morphe M508 brush with some Tarte Shape Tape on it. And I'm just going to start from the innermost corner here. Start bringing it up. And I'm going to bring this out a little bit farther than I normally would, just because we're also going to put some glitter like right here in this little area. So I'm not going to just cut it like kind of halfway. I'm going to do it a little bit more than that. And I'm kind of gonna bring it down at an angle, because I don't want it to be like the whole thing. I just want it to be like angled like this. So then I'm going to fill in the rest of that space with concealer. The next thing I'm going to do is take this Tartelette palette, because it's also purple, and I am going to take this color here at the bottom. It is in the color Super Mom. I'm going to take it on a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to start packing this on the lid. Just wanted a nice matte, like light skin tone shade. The next thing I'm going to do is take some glitter glue on this brush, and I am just going to put it right here in this like corner of the eye where you want it to go, kind of like 1/3 of this general area, just like right here towards the edge. And I'm going to take this Bolt Glitters color in Luscious Lavender. This is going to be our super ultraviolet color, and I'm just going to be careful and place this right here, right on top of that glitter glue that you place down. Just be really careful about it. Glitter is not a joke, and it gets literally everywhere. So I'm just packing it on. Alright, I am done with the eye for now. I'm gonna go do my face makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eye and show you the rest of the look. I'm gonna go back in with both of the medium purple colors that I put in the crease. I'm gonna put this on the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with the darker purple. I'm going to use my Kat Von D liner to make a quick little line, just a black line on the, just like literally right here, just to place my lashes on top of it. And I'm going to put my lashes on, and then I will be right back. I actually lied. Next I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Lilac to Reality. I'm going to use that same brush in both the middle and the outer parts of the highlighter, and I'm just going to put this in the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm gonna put the lashes on. Be right back. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using my Hourglass blush. It is in Luminous Flush. Gosh, I haven't used this in forever. I remember when I first got it, I was thinking like, this is the most beautiful blush I'd ever used in my entire life. Except that it's not my favorite blush, just because of the tone. I prefer like, kind of like reddish, like plummy blushes, but more for like fall looks, not like a look like this. But gosh, I love this color. All right, I'm gonna take that same highlight that I used for the inner corner called Lilac to Reality, and gonna grab my highlight brush, and I'm going to apply this. If you don't really like purple highlights, you are more than welcome to use something a little more natural, like a champagne color. Champagne and gold looks great with purple, but I just thought, why not throw a purple highlight on? I don't know, there's something about the purple that I love. Like, I don't even know. Let me know if you guys think it looks good, because I love it, but maybe I'm the only one. You know, purple is not, you know, the most like wearable color. I actually don't really like putting it in those other spots that much. My face is actually like putting it on my cheeks here, but I did it anyways. So, and I actually did put, I got this little Cover FX kit, like it was going on during Christmas time, but I put the color Halo on my cheeks underneath my foundation, and I just feel like it helps it just kind of like peep through and just makes the highlight on top of it when I put the foundation, and then the powder just like peek out a little bit more. It's a really nice trick if you just want like a super like easy highlight with some like light foundation and, you know, kind of that like glow from within kind of thing. But anyways, haven't decided what lipstick I'm gonna use yet. So I put it on just now because I wanted to see like, start seeing what it looked like. But this is the Lasting Finish Kate lipstick in my Nude number 55. Any nude would go with this look. I just didn't want like anything like too distracting from the purple. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Like I said in the beginning, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.